When designing the electrical system for a strip mall with a maximum of 6 services, there are two primary options to consider: a service raceway with 6 taps to 6 service meters and 6 service disconnects, or a single fused service disconnect and raceway to 6 feeder meters and 6 feeder disconnects. Both options can be code compliant, however, the latter, using a feeder design, is more prevalent due to several advantages. Firstly, flexibility is greatly enhanced with the feeder design. Adding or removing tenants in the future is much easier. With a single fused service disconnect, feeder meters and disconnects can be added or removed as needed without extensive rewiring of the main service entrance. Secondly, reduced maintenance is a significant benefit. Option 2 necessitates maintaining only one fused service disconnect compared to 6 individual disconnects in Option 1, substantially reducing labor and potential downtime. Thirdly, improved safety is another key advantage. The feeder design centralizes overcurrent protection for all services. In the event of a fault, the main fused disconnect trips, energizing all services simultaneously, thus preventing potential electrical hazards. Fourthly, feeder metering allows for more precise monitoring of each tenant's energy consumption. This detailed data can be used for accurate billing and to help tenants optimize their energy usage. While the first option might seem more cost-effective initially, it has several drawbacks. A major disadvantage is less flexibility. Adding or removing tenants becomes complicated, as each service requires its own set of meters and disconnects. Another disadvantage is increased maintenance. Maintaining 6 individual service disconnects is more labor-intensive than maintaining a single fused service disconnect. A further disadvantage is reduced safety. With each service having its own overcurrent protection, coordination with other services may be lacking, potentially compromising overall safety. While Option 1 may initially appear cheaper, it's crucial to consider the long-term costs associated with maintenance and the limitations in flexibility. In most scenarios, the benefits of Option 2, the feeder design, outweigh any perceived cost savings from Option 1. Careful evaluation of these factors ensures a more efficient, safer, and adaptable electrical system for the strip mall.